Depression can seem like a dark cloud hanging over your life, making everyday tasks hard and joy seem distant. But what if we told you there's a way to understand this condition better, to break through the shadows and find the path to recovery? Asterisk today. We're diving into a topic that's close to many of our hearts and minds, depression. This is part one of a two-part series, where we aim to create a safe space to discuss mental health openly and honestly. Asterisk our goal is to provide you with the knowledge and resources you need to take care of your mental well-being. It's a complex mental health condition that affects how you think, feel, and act. Asterisk however, experts believe it's a mix of factors, including changes in brain chemistry, genetics, personality traits, and difficult life experiences. Asterisk the truth is, it can manifest in different ways. Some types of depression include -1 depressive disorder, persistent depressive disorder, seasonal affective disorder, and postpartum depression. Each has its unique characteristics, but all are equally real and challenging. It doesn't discriminate. Asterisk so, how can we break the stigma surrounding mental health issues like depression? Now, let's shift our focus to finding ways to help someone who might be dealing with depression. Being there for someone who's struggling with depression is incredibly important. Asterisk here are some ways you can offer support. One way is through education. The more we understand about depression, the better equipped we are to identify its signs, offer support. Let them know you're there for them without offering unsolicited advice. Asterisk the widely used forms are cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, which helps identify and change negative thought patterns, and psychodynamic therapy, which delves into past experiences to uncover underlying issues. Asterisk think of it as tending to the garden of your mental health. Just as a garden needs sunlight, water, and nutrients, your mind thrives with consistent routines. Asterisk be patient with yourself and celebrate the progress you make along the way. Regular sleep and meal schedules, exercise, and gradual re-engagement with social life can make a world of difference. Asterisk we hope we've provided you with valuable insights and resources to help you better understand this complex mental health issue. Asterisk if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with friends, and leave a comment below. Your engagement helps us continue to create informative content on mental health. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos on mental health and well-being. Asterisk we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, take care. Setting small, achievable goals can boost your sense of accomplishment and build momentum towards a brighter day. Asterisk medication can also play a vital role. Antidepressants can help balance brain chemicals and alleviate symptoms, but they should only be prescribed and monitored by a psychiatrist. Asterisk journaling can help express and process emotions, while deep breathing and relaxation techniques can manage stress and anxiety. Walking in sunlight daily can improve mood and sleep. And talking to a trusted friend or engaging with a support group can lessen feelings of isolation. Asterisk reach out to mental health professionals, lean on your support system, and explore the resources available to you. Your journey to well-being starts with a single step, so take that step today and embrace the support that awaits you. Asterisk next, be patient. Understand that recovery takes time, and there will be good days and bad days. Asterisk your support and understanding can make a significant difference. What works for one person may not work for another. It's like finding the perfect puzzle piece that fits just right. But once you find the right combination, it can be incredibly effective. Asterisk secondly, encourage them to seek professional help. Gently suggest that they consider talking to a therapist or counselor. Offer to help them find resources or accompany them to appointments if they'd like. Asterisk another way to help is to remind them that they're not alone. Let them know that you care and that you're there to listen and support them. Check in on them regularly and be a consistent presence in their life. Asterisk lastly, encouraging open conversations about mental health can help break the silence and reduce the stigma. By talking openly and honestly about our experiences, we can show others that they're not alone. It's like a puzzle, and each piece plays a role. Asterisk imagine a dark cloud hanging over your head, making everyday tasks feel like mountains to climb. That's how depression can sometimes feel. There are people who care about you and want to support you. Asterisk according to the American Psychiatric Association. It's diagnosed when you experience 5 or more of the following symptoms for at least 2 weeks. Asterisk here are some signs to look out for. First, changes in mood. This could include sudden bursts of anger, unexpected bouts of crying, or a general feeling of emptiness. Asterisk next, changes in behavior. Noticeable withdrawal from social activities, neglecting responsibilities, or sudden changes in eating or sleeping habits might be signs that someone is struggling. Asterisk thirdly, changes in thinking, frequent negative thoughts, feelings of worthlessness, or difficulty concentrating could indicate someone is mentally unwell. Asterisk finally, changes in emotions, a lack of interest in things that used to bring joy, difficulty feeling positive emotions, and increased sensitivity to rejection are also telltale signs. Asterisk these include frequent feelings of tiredness, changes in sleep patterns, changes in appetite or weight, low energy, difficulty concentrating, feelings of worthlessness or excessive guilt, and suicidal thoughts or attempts. In this video, we're going to shed light on every aspect of depression. Asterisk, have you ever experienced moments of intense sadness that felt overwhelming? If you have, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world grapple with these feelings, and it's essential to understand what they might mean. We'll talk about how to spot its signs, what causes it, effective treatments, and ways you can support others who are struggling. So, stay tuned. We're here to help you navigate this journey towards understanding. Asterisk, welcome back to our channel where mental health matters. Let's start with a question. Have you ever felt so down that even getting out of bed seemed impossible? Before we move on, we want to emphasize that this video is not intended to diagnose or treat any condition. It's meant to raise awareness, provide information, and encourage open conversations. Asterisk, please remember that seeking professional help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Now, let's delve into the heart of the matter, understanding depression. Asterisk, depression is much more than just feeling sad. But why does this happen? Depression often hides behind closed doors, making its reasons unclear. Asterisk, one common misconception is that depression looks the same for everyone. So, how can you tell if you or someone you know is experiencing depression if you notice these signs in yourself or someone else? It's crucial to reach out for help. Remember, you're not alone. Asterisk, depression can impact people of all ages, backgrounds, and walks of life. Remember, asking for help is not a sign of weakness, but of strength. Asterisk first, listen without judgment. Allow them to share their feelings without interruption. By following these tips, you can become a pillar of support for someone battling depression. Your compassion and understanding can truly make a difference. Asterisk, finding the right treatment for depression is a highly individual process. Psychotherapy is a cornerstone of treatment. It provides a safe space to explore thoughts and emotions with a trained professional. Lifestyle adjustments are also crucial. There are also helpful tools that can aid in the journey. Asterisk, remember, healing from depression is a journey, not a destination. Navigating the challenges of depression can be daunting, but you don't have to go it alone. Thank you for joining us today for this crucial conversation on depression.